Hi everybody, I'm Melinda from Tri-State Overland, and today we are going to be installing my Bulletpoint phone mounting solution. I am actually really excited about this. I've been looking at different options for, it feels like the day I brought the Jeep home, and I wasn't really sold on anything until I saw these, and I am very excited to begin the install. The only downside from my children's perspective is that they are losing the location where we previously had all of our ducks. They're sitting up here, but that's okay. We'll relocate them. Last night we unboxed this and checked it all out and got it prepped for install today. So we have already separated the two parts of the mount here. This is the part that will slide into the dash, and then this attaches on top. And we've already put our three different ball mounts on here. We spec'd out the location on how we wanted them up on the dash here, and then we also already put the camera mount on there just because we were messing around with it last night. But today then we'll position the arms for the two phone mounts that we got. We got the universal arms and the universal size for the phone mount piece here. We are both rocking I'm rocking 14 Pro Max. So the first step, there's this rubber inlay that sits inside this little cubby here that we are going to maybe smoothly, there we go, just pull out here. We're just gonna go ahead and, if I can see, oh, here we go, get these out. Oh, not quite there. Okay, set that aside.
Oh, put them up there.
Yeah. Somebody else will put them down here in the phone cup holder. And then let's get, it's really hard to get in here. This one. Okay. We have the screws that'll go right here, and we'll bolt that back in, but they also have these like 3M sticky tape stuff that we'll go ahead and take that off first. And get this one. Okay, now we can go ahead and get it all lined up. Just make sure the screws fit back in.
This one looks good.
All right. So yeah, so let's get this rocking in place here. Okay, number one. Okay, there we go. Number two. All right. Now we're going to get our top part that already has, now if you haven't already done this to this point, you would want to pause and set your your piece in and determine where you want your ball joints, mounting bracket things. We already did that, and we'll post a separate video that shows that part of the install. But since we're all set with that, it can just be popped into place here, and we'll go ahead and put these screws in here. I do appreciate the hardware, or the tools rather, that they provided that fit snug up to the windshield and you're not messing around. It's not.
It's actually a really clean mount. I like that a lot.
Yeah, it's flush. It's all uniform from a.
You're missing it.
Yeah, I see that.
There it goes.
Yeah, there you go. I just didn't have it the angle right.
It fits really nice. It's a super precise fit, which I really enjoy. I like that. I think it's nice. It's a nice snowy wet day in Ohio today.
Yeah, like it's accumulating quickly right now.
It doesn't matter if it accumulates quickly because we've got the Tacoma and we've got the Jeep. A little bit of snow is not going to stop us.
No, but it's pretty.
It is pretty.
All right. So
Told you those are a pain.
yeah.
In my truck, they were just as bad.
Okay, so trying to line up our, before we tighten it all the way down.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got our Bulletpoint mounting system all installed here. We've got our Osmo Action 3 on our small rig camera mount here, which I'm super excited to take this out on a test drive and see. For convenience, we got the phone. It nicely, I can easily grab if I need to plug it in here. That's convenient. And the wires are down out of the way. And we got the passenger for when Steve's riding shotgun with me, or more than likely the children have something to put their device up and watch a movie or whatever while we're exploring.
I really like this system. I mean, it's a really,
I like it a lot.
it's a really nice
I like that it's
carbon
slim.
fiber arm. It fits right in there. There's room, you can add more mounting balls if you wanted to. But I mean, it looks really good. It's really a sharp mounting system. I wish, I went with 67 designs on my Tacoma because I have a different setup with the taco rail. They didn't have anything like that back then, but I mean, even these balls are CNC machined. They're like ribbed for your pleasure, and they seem like they're gonna stay in there a while. Like they're not gonna move and rotate and twist on you, which is really cool. So I like it. I think it's a really good addition. What do you think?
I like it a lot. I am very happy with it.